My name is Tayler Olivas, and I'm a concept artist working in the film and game industry. A lot of my specialty involves doing environment art for concept development and blue sky development, so a lot of the work in the early stages of production design. One of my biggest achievements has been working on Spider-Man 2. It's been great to see my artwork produced in the books and even being able to play the game and seeing some of the art that I've done. Ultimately, it's been working with the people, learning so much on the job that's been one of the most humbling experiences. So when it comes to plein air painting, I love the fact that it allows me to go outside and actually observe the world and find some inspiration. It gives me a new perspective, especially if I have a prompt where I'm kind of stuck. I love how it allows you to take all that information back into your own research, and you can organize those ideas into something that might be new and fresh. I found a way to actually use this as a tool to improve my own artwork, to study, and to also keep on the track of mastery. So one of the things I love about teaching is actually seeing the progression of my students over time. I love to work with people of all different levels, whether they're starting out learning art for the first time or they've actually had professional gigs. Just seeing the different types of progress they get through plein air painting is one of the most rewarding things. So one of the goals for my students who take my class is to actually take back a lot of the process that I use in my own concept art workflow. It's going to be specifically for going into the world, observing, gathering reference, and finding a process that allows them to actually learn on their own and have the tools to go outside in the world and study. So I've always been an advocate of finding a mentor who's already gone through the steps that you have and learning the same thing that you're trying to study. Specifically for my mentorship, I can really help in your observation skills and focusing on a prompt to where you can actually have the right research material and the confidence to actually approach the environment design, plein air work, or landscape painting that you're trying to complete. So I'm really excited for you guys to join me along in my little plein air journey. I'd love to see your portfolio, so please submit those to Sentient, and looking forward to having you in my course.